What an interesting business model.
It's crazy. One of my favorite expressions that I like to use during trials when for cases about insurance benefits and someone's not getting their medical taken care of, you've got someone that's been paying their insurance for years, and then finally they need the insurance and the insurance doesn't want to pay. It's like buying an umbrella from someone. You buy an umbrella and you get to carry it while the sun's shining, and then when it starts raining, well, then the person that sold it to you comes and takes the umbrella back. It's like, well, what was the point of the umbrella when the sun was shining? They have no problem taking your premiums up until that point where you get in that accident, and then all of a sudden you go from being their best friend to their worst enemy.
And we see that every day, don't we?
Every single day.
I mean, thousands and thousands of people. It's the same story. They make a claim, first claim ever. They're put under investigation. They cut them off with these crooked doctors who are saying that our clients are fine, and they don't pay, and they make us file a suit that take a year or 2 years. And it's just, unfortunately, it's their way of doing business.
And they do it as a deterrent. They want to deter people from making claims. I mean, I can't tell you how many times when I've gotten calls from medical providers asking for claim information for a client, and they find out it's State Farm, and they say, "I'm sorry, I'm not going to treat this person because we just don't deal with State Farm because it's just too much of a hassle."
Which is sad. And that's State Farm's dirty tactics are paying off when those type of phone calls happen.
And when you do that, then you're letting them win. And that's what's great about where we work, because we hold the insurance companies accountable and keep them to the promise. Because when you buy insurance, you're buying a promise, and they don't want to keep the promise, and that's what our jobs are.
You never know who you're going to see.
Be one guy one-on-one my whole career.
What you're going to hear.
Got a lot of desperate people in the city.
On my podcast, Open Mike. Find it where you find your podcasts.